Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. It means so much to me when you guys subscribe to my channel. If you're not new, hey girl, welcome back. Welcome back, girl. Today we are going to be doing a little wellness shot, and this is something that I've incorporated into my daily routine. I want to say about a month now, and at first I felt like, am I really seeing a difference? I knew that these were good because, guys, when I started making these wellness shots was back in May when my mom first got sick, and her doctor told her that blue fish is really good, blue algae. And also talking to one of my friends, she was talking about Blue Spirulina, so I went ahead and purchased this one off of Amazon. Everything that I've bought and that I can share with you is going to be linked down below in my Amazon storefront. That way you can support your girl shopping through my links, you guys. I'll have all of this stuff. That way you can also make these wellness shots at home. And also my blender, it is also from Amazon, and I love it so much. It's from the brand Home Geek, so I'll make sure to include everything that I'm talking about down below. But this was something that I have incorporated into my wellness shots, and it gives them that really pretty blue color. So the blue is so intense, and it smells fishy, but it does not taste fishy, which I really like. It has a lot of vitamin C, all of the benefits. I will post them here. Ginger is so good for you. This is gonna boost our immune system. It's also gonna help our digestive, our gut. And girl, when I first started taking it, I was like, okay, like I know it's gonna be good for my stomach and stuff like that, but I did not expect the feeling of making my stomach feel like tight. One thing I started noticing since taking the ginger shot was that my stomach didn't feel as bloated, as bubbly, if that makes sense. I feel like before I was taking the ginger shots on the daily, I would wake up sometimes feeling like my stomach was a balloon. So the feeling that I feel now, you guys, is that my stomach feels flatter. It feels more compact. It feels more like snatched, if that makes sense. I can't describe the feeling. I'm just saying, like, if you're a person that deals with bloat, that has PCOS, I highly suggest these wellness shots. It's good for your health. It's good for so many things, you guys. And also in this time of the year, everyone is getting sick with the flu, with COVID, and all those yucky germs that are just flying around. This is also gonna help. I'm gonna show you guys how I've been making mine. And another thing that I've been into a lot, you guys, is lemon water. If you're watching this is your cue to hydrate. I've been putting lemon slices into my water. Just add a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. Got this one from Sam's, if you're wondering. I love it. It's made out of glass, and it's just so pretty. It's different shades of pink, and it's real pink Himalayan salt. And it just makes the water so much more enjoyable to drink. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into this video and start making these wellness. I went with the 4 ounce, you guys, is because I knew that I was gonna add fruit to these shots. I knew that I was gonna add water and agave to make it more drinkable instead of just like a 2 shot of plain ginger. And I was like, I want to turn this into a yummy juice that's easy to digest and just get a little bit more. A really good quality glass, you guys. None of them have broken on me or anything, but I love them. Yeah, let's go ahead and start making them. I'm talking too much.
Hey guys.
I'm gonna go ahead and add in all the ginger that I chopped up. We're gonna add in half a lemon. And then I'm gonna add in some of my pineapple. It also has so many good benefits, all the pineapple. And it's just gonna help with the bitterness, and it's gonna give it a sweetness that we love. So I like to add a good amount of pineapple. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add some filtered water. Next thing that we're going to add to the wellness shots, you guys, is going to be organic turmeric powder. I think that should be enough. I'm gonna add in 1 teaspoon of the Blue Spirulina. It's literally so blue. Can you see that? We're gonna also add in agave. To it, I'm gonna add in some black pepper. Just a little pinch, you guys, or not a little pinch, but a nice amount. It's also gonna just make the turmeric work harder together in the body. And just to balance everything out, I'm gonna add in a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. Our wellness shot. They look so delicious. Look at all that life. That's literally what I think of when I see the bubbles, all of the
Vitamins and minerals
in here that give this life, because literally that's what it is. It's all rawness,
deliciousness in a bottle.
So I really hope that you guys try these wellness shots. This has been the best investment. These little bottles, if you're really into juicing or you want to start making your own wellness shots, make a big batch. You don't necessarily need the little bottles. Like, you can always just store it away in like a glass mason jar, and every single day just like pour out in a shot glass if that's more easier for you and accessible. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.